Introduction to Fractional Shares. How to invest from just £1. This video is going to explain about fractional shares and show you how this feature enables you to invest small amounts with Trading 212 in even the largest priced shares. Let's go straight to the Trading 212 app. On the home screen, we can see different lists of stocks. Tap on Fractional Shares. Here you'll find a list of well-known stocks, many of which cost hundreds of dollars. For example, we have Amazon and Alphabet near the top, both of which cost well in excess of $1,000. The trouble with such large prices is that buying even just a single share requires you to invest a substantial amount of money in one company. If we buy one lone share of Amazon, for example, it will cost us more than £1,300. That's a fair chunk of change. Wouldn't it be nice then if you could buy just a portion of a share instead? Well, that's what fractional shares is all about. With any of the shares listed in the Fractional Shares tab, you can buy less than one share. You can even go as small as 0.001 of a share, provided you invest at least 10p. Let's give it a go by tapping on Tesla. We can see the share price is $404.05. And if we click on Buy, we can now enter our number of shares. With a typical stockbroker, the minimum investment size would be one share. That would mean we couldn't invest any less than $404.05. But with Trading 212's fractional shares, we have much more flexibility. Let's put in 0.005. An indication of the amount we are investing appears beneath. In this case, £1.55. If we now click Review Order, we see a summary of the order details, and the final step is to click on Send Buy Order to actually put our fractional share order into the market. And there! Our deal has been executed instantly. That's another advantage of Trading 212. All orders are sent to the market immediately. We've bought 0.005 shares of Tesla. Our investment in Tesla is just £1.55, and we paid no commission as Trading 212's investment service is totally free. Now you know about fractional shares. Don't forget, with your Trading 212 account, you can invest in more than 2,000 real stocks and ETFs, all commission free. And you can also practice trading risk-free with up to £50,000 of virtual money. Download the Trading 212 mobile app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, or simply log in to our web app by heading over to www.trading212.com. If you have any questions, ask us anything in the comments section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're among the first to know when we upload a new video.